I was sent this NINGLASH Lash Bond Seal and Lash Remover to try out for you. They also sent me these NINGLASH lashes to try out with this. In this little container, it comes with 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, and 16mm. It's just a casual Friday. I'm not doing much today, so I thought that the 12 would be perfect for just wearing out and about. On each tube, it says what it is. So this is the bond, the sealant, and the lash remover. It says that if you use these correctly, your lashes will last 5 to 10 days, which is awesome. I used to have eyelash extensions, but they're pretty spendy, so this could be a great alternative for that. So I have my base layer of makeup on. The bond wand is nice and thin. Here's the sealant wand and the remover wand. This is like a nice and watery formula. Step 1 is to clean your natural lashes and curl them. I've already done that. Step 2 is to brush a thin layer of bond on the bottom of your lashes like mascara. Then we're gonna let that dry for 30 to 60 seconds. I can already feel it sticking. I'll be honest, I am not the best or the fastest at putting on lashes, so it might take me a while, but we're gonna get it done. So once that's dried for 30 to 60 seconds, you're just gonna take your lash, put the bottom on your lash line, and then press with the tweezers. For me, it's easier to start in the middle and then press with the tweezers. And I'm just gonna work my way out on either side. And there's 2. They actually make special lash tweezers for this, but of course I can't find mine right now. Halfway done with that eye. Right, so I have that eye almost done. I think I'm gonna try and get a 10 on the inside of my lash line right there. The funny thing about the 12s is they're not actually that much longer than my natural lashes, but it makes a big difference because they have such a strong curl pattern and they're darker than my lashes. There we go. So one side is done. Then we just take the sealant and brush your lashes with them, focusing on the root of the lash. It's like a mascara brush, but I'm gonna go in with this little cotton swab first so that I can really focus on the root there. I love that the fumes of this aren't like burning my eyes. Sometimes when I would get my eyelash extensions done, their sealant and sometimes their glue would burn, and I don't feel that at all with this. Now I'm gonna do my other lash and I'll be right back. And here they are all done. They feel nice and secure. They're not sticky at all once you put that sealant on. It feels really comfortable and light. I love that it comes in 3 easy steps. You can buy a refill of just the lashes or just the bond, sealant, and remover, or you can buy them in a set together. These seem like they're great quality. They add so much to your makeup look, and I cannot wait to see how long an application lasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.